Meaning of genteel.
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 Genteel. The word genteel refers to someone or something that is refined, sophisticated and possessing good taste in manners. It can describe a person who behaves in an elegant and polite manner, or it can refer to a thing that is stylish and well-made. The term is often associated with the upper classes and aristocracy. In essence, a person or thing that is genteel exudes a certain level of sophistication that is considered desirable and aspirational. It is a term that is used to describe a standard of behavior or quality that is both elevated and admirable.